Well, 44 Baltimore City schools are getting ready to reopen to some students later this month. The hope is to help those struggling the most during this pandemic. And new at 7, WJZ is live. Kelsey Kushner with the new plans to bring more students eventually back into the classroom. Kelsey.
Well, Denise, at a virtual town hall meeting, school officials say that they were able to add a plethora of new schools that are going to be reopening for in-person learning because of the number of volunteers they now have. But they did put a heavy emphasis on the fact that they will be small groups of kids that are brought back in to keep everyone safe. It's the city's latest plan to bring students back into the classroom. Monday, city school officials announced additional schools that will open their doors for students for in-person learning, bringing the total number to 44 schools starting mid-November. That includes students in pre-kindergarten, kindergarten, special education, and those experiencing homelessness. The school district will also bring back students who are showing up less than 20% on time for online lessons, as well as some 6th and 9th graders. At a virtual town hall meeting Monday, school officials showed off school classrooms, demonstrating how the school will work to keep students safe. Each desk will be socially distanced with desk shields, and students are required to wear masks and get their temperatures taken. City Schools CEO Dr. Sonia Santalisa says they were allowed to exceed the 25 schools they originally planned for because of volunteers.
They were actually a larger number than we had initially anticipated, really in part due to the number of volunteers, the number of teachers and principals that we had volunteering enabled us to offer more small groups.
Now, if the student school is set to reopen, parents, of course, still have the option of whether or not they want to send their kid back to school. School officials say that they are still working out some of the challenges, like how they will have a teacher teach both virtually and in person at the same time. Reporting live at 7, Kelsey Kushner for WJZ.